Still waiting for a few people. That's okay. Discussing about the concept of association, how to project the associations or expose the association from one CDS, and that can be used in subsequent CDS. Okay, any questions on the associations? Anyone got a time to just check on that?
Yeah, we understood the concept of association. So until unless we have an hands-on, maybe
Yep.
some times some
Okay,
technical
yeah.
advice.
Okay, yeah, fine, that's good. So only thing point to be remembered, first point is, again it may be repeating, but only thing, concept of association is ad hoc relations. Okay, and on demand, there's a people call on demand relation. The meaning of it is, if you are consuming the field of that association table within that CDS, then only it is going to hit the table, otherwise it is not going to hit. Okay, even though you exposed it, okay, you exposed complete table, you are exposing alias name. This alias name is referring to this table, guys. Okay, so that is nothing but you are exposing completely table from this particular CDS based on this condition. Based on this condition, already condition you mentioned it, that's it. Okay, additional conditions I can apply in subsequent CDS, but not, I cannot change the core conditions. Okay, so this we are exposing so that it can be used in subsequent CDS, and we created a CDS on top of this, and again in this CDS I exposed it, which is of previous CDS from which it is coming here. Likewise you can project and do this. Okay, fine. So now let's create one more CDS. Okay, ZCA. Okay, clicking on next. Okay, fine, define view, finish. Okay, okay, it copied from reference, but I am not going to use the reference. Okay, that's okay, I'll just remove this. Now see here, I'm going to specify here SM name. As we know, SQL view name should be the specified. Okay, now I'm going to specify here from, okay, VBAK as sales header. Okay, now I have all the sales header. Now here I'm going to create a relation to the item based on the using associations, Okay, now see here, first of all I'm going to use as sales header dot VBELN as, sorry, instead of sorry, I just use VBAP so that it will be better. Item, okay, as, okay, now I'm going to specify item followed by this as sales order, sales document, comma, followed by sales item. We'll take minimal fields as sales item. Okay, sales item number followed by sales item MATNR as I'm going to specify material. Okay, material. Okay, these are the three fields that I took from this particular CDS. Oh, sorry, table. Now see here, I'm going to create an association. Okay, to VBAK header table. Okay, followed by, okay, as sales head. Okay, on what I'm going to create a relation, on which I'm going to create a relation. Now, see here, just observe carefully, guys. Sales header followed by VBLN should be equal to sales head, sorry, sales item dot VBELN. This is the general way of writing. This you know, we already discussed it. Okay, fine. It is a warning. It is not used anywhere. That's fine. This is a general way what we use it. Now I'm not going to use it. This is the way what we know it. But the standard way of doing is not this way. Recommended way. Okay. Generally, what we do is, see here, I'm just using a new keyword, guys. $projection dot followed by sales document. $projection dot sales document. What is mean by sales document? Where it is there? See here, when I specify the $projection dot, the field which I specified should be part of output list. Should be part of output list. Means here what the you are creating a relation to the table VBAK based on the sales document which is coming in the output. From where it is coming? Again, it is coming from VBAP only. Indirectly or directly the same relation, but you are creating a relation to the output based on the output field. Now, with this particular thing, the advantage is, for example, you have some conditional based on the case I written. If case A value X, if case B value Y, based on the derived value, I need to create a relation. In that case, you cannot write a here case statement, right? Based on the derived value, I need to create a relation. Then $projection, guys. Here, the $projection dot, you can specify any field of your output. Understood? Any questions on this?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now, simply, nothing difference. Only thing is, instead of name of the alias name, $projection. That is name of the alias name is just use $projection followed by the field name which you are in the output. Here sales document I specified. Sales document is referring to VBLN. From where VBLN is coming? Again, it is coming from here. That's it. Instead of directly mapping relation from here, I'm using $projection followed by the output field name. That's it, guys. No confusion. Okay, now here I'm simply exposing that particular CDS, sales header. That's it. I created a relation, one view, and that's it. Now this is one. Okay, now like see here, I am creating one more to association to VBKD as sales business. Okay, on followed by sales BUS dot VBLN should be equal to again $projection followed by sales document only, right? Sales document. And I'm using and sales plus hyphen dot POSNR should be equal to 000. Just I'm not giving an item relation. I'm giving an header relation followed by the number of associations you use, that all should be projected. It's an always recommended, guys. It is always recommended. Okay, even though you use it, individual fields also expose that complete structure. Do not make constraint to requirement CDS. Anyway, you are using association. We have a feature of exposing. You expose it. In future, it may be used or may not be used. You are least bothered. Okay. Now, likewise, I can create C here, guys. Now, next, I'm creating one more association. I can create n number of association. I'm just creating left outer join type of Mara. Okay. I can use MAKT or Mara, what are the things, which is